How to unsubscribe to Disney Plus. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can unsubscribe to your Disney Plus. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and head into www.disneyplus.com. In my case, it's not available in my region, but you should be headed to the Disney Plus website where you'll have to log into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to head over to the option on the billing option there, and there you'll find the option that is subscription. Under subscription, you want to go ahead and you want to tap on the option that says change. After you select the particular subscription, tap on it, and then you'll find the option that says cancel subscription, and you can go ahead and cancel it. So this way you can cancel the subscription or unsubscribe to Disney Plus. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.